Welcome to Pomodoro Joe for Saturday, February 25th, 2023. Today we're doing LeetCode problem 121, best time to buy and sell stock. We got an easy one today. You're given an array, prices, where prices index I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profits by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. All right, seems pretty straightforward, so we'll put 25 minutes on the Pomodoro timer and get started. So we'll start with some result, and we'll set it equal to 0, and we'll return that result at the end. Now, how do we approach this? Well, we do this just like any great stock trader would. We're going to buy low and sell high. So we'll just have a low, and we'll start that at prices at 0. And we'll have a high, and we'll just set that equal to low. Now, for every price in prices, we can just say the low will be the minimum of the current low or this new price. And the high will be the maximum of the high or the new price. Right? Seems pretty straightforward. Well, that's not quite right. This low will be the low leading up to our current day. Same thing with this high. This will be the high from any point in the past up to this day. If the high happened in the past and the low happens today, then we're essentially saying we're going to sell before we buy. So this isn't going to work. We don't want to keep track of historically high prices. We just want to keep track of the historic low price, and then we either sell today or we don't. So is today going to give us a better profit than any other day? Let's find out. So our result will be the maximum of our current result, or today's price minus the historic low. And that should be it. All right, let's give this a try. All right, that works. Let's run this and see if we pass. And we do. So this one works, but we only beat 55% for runtime and 82% for memory. That's pretty good on the memory, but let's see if we can improve this runtime. So one thing we can do, we don't need this high, so let's get rid of this. That's going to take up some memory and some processing. We'll still keep the low price set to 0, or set to prices at index 0. Let's see. Well, one thing we can do is these mins and maxes. These are function calls. Anytime you have a function call, you're going to be taking up a little bit of time and memory. So let's reduce these function calls by just doing the conditional ourselves. So if price is less than low, then we'll just set low equal to that price. All right, that saves us a little bit. And we can do the same with this maximum here. So we can say, let's just keep a delta. Or we'll call this profit. Okay, so now we can do the same thing with our result. Okay, so now we've converted our min and max to our own conditionals. If price is less than low, then we set this low to be our new price. We'll calculate the profit, and if that profit is greater than our current profit, then we'll just set our result to that new profit. Let's see if this works. All right, and we'll submit that. And we pass, and we crush it. 99.12% for runtime and 82.91% for memory. That's pretty awesome. I would say check this one out, try it on your own, see if you can beat that score. All right, that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed this, hope you had fun, hope you learned something, hope you can try this one on your own. And please remember to always write better code.